What's up, everyone? In today's video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin right now, currently breaking out of the 50,000 area. We're going to be having a look at Reef currently pumping right now, and Matic network, because you guys did mention Matic network in my Telegram group. So let's have a look with Bitcoin first and foremost, what is Bitcoin doing right now? Bitcoin is king, as you guys know, nothing else. Bitcoin is the leader of this whole market. Okay, so if Bitcoin would have dumped, this whole market dumps. We all know this, but Bitcoin has been consolidating, which we have seen an altcoin season. So let's start off with the RSI real quick, because we were in a bearish divergence on the RSI. As you guys can see, this was the bearish divergence that I spoke about, but it looks like this is just invalid now. We're just consolidating right now. Nothing too crazy to see over here. As you guys know, the trend is your friend until it bends. Well, what happened is we actually broke below the trend and consolidated towards the sideways, and we had a nice little support right here, as you guys can see. Why this support specifically? Because we had a touch right here and a touch right here. Okay, so this created some support. So now we are in between this backwards triangle, I guess you guys can say. Very interesting pattern, as you guys can see. So in my opinion, if we manage to break above this resistance, yes, it's a resistance, and we managed to break above the 50,000 level clean, this is going to be very good news, not only for Bitcoin, but for the whole crypto space, the whole crypto market as a whole in general. So that's the RSI. Let's have a look at the exponential moving average real quick. We are still above the exponential moving average, nothing too crazy. Why do I like to look at the exponential moving average? For those of you guys who are new to my video, well, that's because here we've been supported by these EMA ribbons the whole time in the whole bull cycle until we broke below. And ever since we broke below, it actually it essentially flipped, and we saw resistance right here. So this is why I like to essentially look at the exponential moving average every day, just to see and give an idea of what's happening with the market, as well as the moving average, 200 moving average. The blue line is probably very important in my opinion. As you guys can see, we are still above it on the daily time frame. So things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin in my opinion overall. Let's have a look at the shorter time frames. The 4 hour we could have a look, and then we're gonna have a look at shorter time frames before that. Okay, so on the shorter time frame right now, let me move the indicators. We are still in an uptrend. As you guys can see, we got a few touches right here. This is the uptrend right now that we have on the 4 hour time frame. Things are looking pretty good. On the short term, of course, in my opinion, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down all the way to 48,475 before actually making a nice little bounce up. Now, we did get rejected right here at the 50,000, as you guys can see. But the good thing is we do have a nice little W pattern right here. Okay, for those of you guys who don't know what a W pattern is, it's very bullish. In my opinion, we should be breaking out of here by Monday. Target should be approximately 55,000. Of course, guys, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. Let's have a look at Reef, guys. Reef is currently pumping right now. So we had this nice little support right here on the 4 hour time frame. Let's have a look at the daily time frame real quick. Reef, guys, boom. Reef is beautiful. We saw this nice little beautiful cup and handle, as you guys can see right here. This was the cup, and then this was the nice little handle. I spoke about this, and I did mention that this could be a nice little handle that we could see a potential breakout. Now, where can Reef potentially go from here? Well, let's have a look real quick. If I take this right here from the resistance to the bottom of the cup and I put it at the breakout, let's have a look what our target could be. Essentially, our target could be as close as 4 cents, guys. 4 cents for Reef. That's a 50% increase approximately from here. Let's have a look. 53%, as you guys can see. We do have some a minor resistance right here. Why is this a minor resistance? Well, let's have a look at the VPVR volume profile real quick. That's where essentially no, that's too far, sorry. Okay, maybe it's not too far, but that's essentially where the market or Reef has been traded the most, as you guys can see right here. The VPVR actually stands right here, exactly at the peak, at 4 cents, essentially right below our target. So in my opinion, guys, if you guys are taking along on Reef, I would suggest not to put it at 4 cents and a little bit below not only the VPVR but our target point, which is 4 cents right here. Matic network, guys, you guys told me to talk about Matic network, so let's dive into Matic network right now. This is Matic network, Polygon, Matic, Polygon, whatever you guys want to call it. Can we essentially see a massive inverse head and shoulder here, guys? Can we have a massive inverse head and shoulder? Let's have a look. Can this be a left shoulder? Can this be the head? And can this be the right shoulder? Very possible. Let's have a look what our target could be essentially if this is the next line. Assuming that this is the neckline, guys, can we come back to the all-time highs? Okay, look, this is why TA does work, okay, because the charts are meant to be, technical analysis is meant to be, and as you guys can see right here, it meets exactly with our target at 2.7. Now 2.7 is our previous all-time high, okay, and as you guys can see, this inverse head and shoulder meets up exactly with our previous target. So I wouldn't be surprised if Polygon Matic makes a massive move this upcoming week, of course, assuming Bitcoin stays in the same region. Things are going to be very big in my opinion. Anyways, guys, that's my quick video on Bitcoin, Reef, Matic. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.